That's fine. So the way you do a homework properly is please check your answer with decimals. If you don't check, this mind's not doing homework. Okay. Also, there were people who didn't do homework. Ayla didn't do homework. I don't think it's funny. Okay. So some people, some of you guys, I see you try. You're putting effort to do something, even though you didn't finish it. I understand. But if you didn't even put the effort to finish it in question 1 or 2, that's not okay. So Um, if I want to do see -3050 and -411, so hopefully you can tell me that point. So you can also plug in a point here on decimals, and you can say -3. It says -3 comma 0. What else?
7 1.
7 1. Okay,
And then is that all it says?
That's next one. 5 0.
and a 50. That's okay. It doesn't have to be order.
Those are
Now-
just like the wrong question.
Isn't a
Okay, so what is the other point?
-411.
-411.
Yes.
Okay, so the parabola is gonna go through this line here. It's gonna be a very long one because it's facing up or facing down by looking at it.
Yeah. I think
It's gonna face up because it get wider. If it's on the top, it's not possible to have thing. So you know that A has to be positive. That's a way to double check. Now, so now I'm gonna do the math part, and we're gonna see what happened with the math part. So which form I shall use? Factor form, good. So it's f of x equal to a times x minus p and x minus q. Why is that important? This is very important for your next section, polynomial. So this is gonna be x. Well, this two are the x-intercept if you pay attention. That's why I use factor form. So it's gonna be x plus 3 and x minus 5. Because if you set them equal to 0, that's gonna give you 5 and -3. This is okay. And then this is f of x. Now I'm gonna use this one. So it'll be 11 equal to a times -4 plus 1 times -4 minus 5. Is that okay? So 11 equal to a times -3 times -9, which is a is equal to 11 over 27. Do you guys get this?
I think it's -4 plus 3. Not plus 1.
Oh, -4 plus 3. Okay, sorry. My bad. -4 plus 3. Sorry. Thank you. -4 plus 3. So that's going to be a times -1 times -9. So a is equal to 11 over 9. Is that better? And then you can type into the thing says y. Sorry. Y. How do I get rid of this? Y equal to 11 over 9 times x minus 5 and x minus 3. X plus 3. And there we go, 3 points intersected. Math works. Any other questions?
Can you go back to the screenshot?
No. Now you figure out. I already teach you how to do it.
Wait,
So figure out now. Because I already deleted it. It's not like I don't want to. I already deleted that picture. So, but again, you guys should understand it. Next questions.
So when we're graphing it ourselves, we're not supposed to use decimals, right?
Yeah, you're supposed to find an equation that match that. I just use decimals to confirm that. Nicholas?
We should do the same thing for question 5.
Probably question 5 is you have to use decimals. This is the one that you have to use Desmos and just do quadratic regression. Try it right now. Probably not, but you gotta be able to do it on AP exam. But I might, if I put on a test, I would give you like 2 minutes to do that questions. I mean, 1 minute to do that question. Really, type in all and do quadratic regression. Yes, Devin.
For the number three of the last question, do I need to like write in I? Like one of them on 11?
Wait. 3,
No, 11 on the third part.
11 on the third part. Okay.
I thought it was no solution. Do I have to like put it in like in the version of I?
Yeah.
Oh,
So for this one, it's gonna be 2 plus minus 4 minus 4 times 32 over 8. So it'll be 2 plus minus 4 minus 96 or 128 over 8. So it'll be 2 plus minus square root negative 124 over 8. 124 is gonna be 62, and the 2 and 31. So it'll be 2 plus minus 2 I root 31 over 8. So it'll be 1 over 4 plus minus 1 over 4 I square root 31. Is that okay? Okay, yes.
Explain the inclusion of the, again, like squares.
When you have a square root of a negative 124, it will break down to square root of negative 1 times square root 124. And this is I. And so anytime you have negative, that means there is no x-intercept. You cannot find any x-intercept in this graph. So if they are facing up, there's probably a parabola facing up. There's no x-intercept. So it has to be above x-axis. And has to have y-intercept at 8. So that's pretty much a very good indication of, in general, what graphs look like. Next question. All those questions are just like on the test. Now, I have some challenge question for some student who enjoy challenges, but by looking at you is challenging.
huh?
Okay.
Oh, but no, say that again. You said I look challenged. Oh, I thought you said. Either one's pretty good.
Yeah, both.
All right, next question. Yes, Kennedy.
Can you go over all of them?
All the 10. Okay, Mr. Okay, launch 128 feet. So this one, the h of t should be negative 16t squared plus 128t plus 144, I think. Okay, yeah, that's right. Find the time to reach maximum height. So that's gonna be x equal to negative b over 2a, which is negative 128 over negative 32, which is, I think that's 4. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And then I will plug in, I will plug in 4. I have no idea what happens if you plug in 4. Somebody work it out for me. What's the h of 4?
400.
What is it?
400.
According to Shreya's 400. I trust her because she's got 100 on the test. So 400. Okay, how long does it reach the ground? Huh? 9 seconds. So you want to have to factor this. Actually, this one is on the AB calculus exam today. And I don't know if Varian knows how to factor that one. Did you get
I
50?
think the one you gave us, it can be easily factored. It was like, I think the final form was like 4, and then obviously 4t squared.
Yeah, what's your final answer?
I believe the final answer was 15 over 2.
Yeah.
And then there was a negative one, but negative one is.
Yeah. So calculus had the same exact question. Except half of them they know how to factor, which is kind of scary.
I know how to do that.
Good for you. All right, so if you factor out negative 16, I'm gonna have t squared, and the 16 that's gonna give you negative 8, I believe, and this one is gonna be negative 9. So it'll be t minus 9 and t plus 1, and t is equal to 9 for this particular case. I don't know what's h1, h2 minus h1 over 2 minus 1. I have no idea what is that, but somebody can tell me the right answer.
I got 80.
80? Okay. There we go. But I'm too lazy to plug in. You guys can plug in that.
Chemistry for number 6B. What was it trying to say? Like, you know how you couldn't read it?
6b. 60. Oh, find the corresponding point. So at this case, I'm gonna do complete the square because I feel it's faster. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So that's equal to negative 3 times x squared minus 2x. This is a plus 1, and this is a minus 3, so it's plus 3 at the back. So did you get this?
I didn't know what it meant by corresponding.
Did you get this though? Did you get vertex form at 1 and
Vertex.
1 and 12, right?
I didn't. Oh yeah, it was 112.
Okay, so I will show you. Some people say they don't understand what's corresponding point. Corresponding point is once you find a y-intercept, right? So that just say if you have y-intercept, the y-intercept is at 9. So this side, let's just say this is 9, and this one is 1 and 12. So this is 1 and this is 12, like this, right? 1 comma 12, like this. Now what happened is the other side, this side right here, which is 2 comma 9, because you have to draw a symmetry, just like your year. One side, you have one side, you have the other side. That's a corresponding point to the y-intercept. So because this is your axis symmetry. Okay? And then you want to find y-intercept, you want to find x-intercept, you can find x-intercept on this case too. So in order to find x-intercept, it's actually set it equal to 0 at this point. Actually fairly easy. So I'm gonna move to the other side. I don't have to distribute it. And that's 4 equal to x minus 1 squared. So that's gonna be plus minus 2 is equal to x minus 1. So x equal to 1 plus 2, which is 3, which is right here. And this one is negative 1. So it's gonna be like this. Actually, the graphs come up perfectly if you find the x-intercept. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Next question. Yes.
Can you do 9?
9, sure. You find the vertex form with two different ways. So how many ways you know how to find the vertex form? Okay, do you know how to do it with the first way? What would be the first way you know? What would be the first way you know how to find a vertex form? Yes. You try to complete the square? Okay, let's try that. So negative 3 times x squared, and that's going to be, I think this is minus 4x minus 10 like this, right? So we're going to take this term, negative 4 divided by 2 squared, so that's equal to negative 12 squared, that's equal to 4 plus 4. And that's going to be minus 12, so it's plus 12 in the back. So it'll be negative 3 times x minus 2 plus 2 squared. I think this is what I got. And if you use axis symmetry, you're going to get exact same answer. The axis symmetry is going to be negative b over 2a. So it'll be negative 12 over 2 times negative 3. So that's going to be negative 12 over negative 6. So that's equal to 2. That's how you get 2 here. And if you plug in 2, you should get 2 as well. Yes?
What was the 16 like t plus 1 on the side?
This is for this question.
What was the second one? Wait. Oh, I didn't see. Oh, that would have made it more. What was the second?
Second way is use asymmetry. I just did that too, right? Once you got 2, then you plug it back in. So f of 2, you probably end up to get 2 as well. And then so just use this. So this is going to be f of x equal to negative 3 times x minus 2 squared plus 2. Because this both are 2. Huh?
Do you like care? Which
I will tell you which way you should do. If you do it the other way, I cannot give you points. The problem is I need you to learn how to complete the square. And you should know how to complete the square. Yes.
I'm still having trouble with number 5. Go over that one. I'm still
5. Okay, so this one just use decimals. Now if I will put this on the test, I will allow you to use decimal for like 1 minute. Okay, because literally it doesn't take long time. So, and this is what you need to do on the AP exam. So can you tell me those points? I'll just type in.
Yep.
So you're gonna do here. You're gonna add a table, and what's the point?
y2, 7, y1, -2.
Like this. So there's a parabola going this way. So you can click on this thing here and click quadratic regression. It will give you all the.
That's all you have to write down.
Yep, that's it. Take me 30 seconds. So if I put on the test, you have 30 seconds. Because I don't want to use for other questions. Yes.
And you would tell us what decimal to round it to, or don't round it?
Just write down everything.
That takes at least 2 seconds.
you should give us like a minute.
You spend more time complaining than.
Realistically, I spend more time trying to find how to click table.
Its table is right here.
You can type in table.
It click plus table. Wow. If you focus sometimes.
You know what? I look at the math and stuff, not the table part. Sorry, priorities.
This is actually a cheat. If you want to learn about cheat, this is a cheat. This is how you cheat on SAT.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's not
You
taking
did?
long.
Yeah, because I like looked over, no one had decimal stuff, and I just like was using decimals and
Yo,
everything.
I was decimating everything.
Yeah,
Probably got a lot
and, like
wrong.
kids in my room were just like they were not using it at all. Like,
I only did one math problem on paper. The rest were good.
Yeah, even if the question had nothing to do with the graphing, I put decimals. Just like
so just like a calculator.
just to like make myself look like that. I think I boosted my PSAT by at least 3 minutes.
I don't think so. All right, next question. Next question. Next question. Any more question? The problem is gonna be time, because tomorrow a lot of you guys don't finish on time. All my tasks you should finish at the end of the period. Look at it. That's one question.
He got really good handwriting.
That's a long question, man.
Good handwriting.
And you're not gonna have all the time in the world, Alexis. You're not gonna have all the time in the world. In the actual world competitions, you are not gonna have all the time. You have 4 minutes to finish competition problem, and you have 1 minute. You have 2 minutes per multiple choice question, so you're not gonna have enough time. So you're gonna have to do it right. Do it once. Do it right. Do it once. Do not try to go back. Have to go back to double, triple check your answer. No, you do it once. Do it right. Take your time. Slow down. Do each calculation. Very, very mindful about what you're doing. The problem is the mindfulness. A lot of people that don't practice mindfulness, it's like a meditation. It's like you have to be truly focus on doing something. Now today, I was telling this to a lot of people as well. If you practice any sports, right? If you practice basketball and you want to be a best basketball player, it doesn't say everybody can become a basketball player, but if you, there are some people that they focus on their practice. So this applies to sports as much as math. Is if you focus 100% on what you're doing, those kids is gonna excel so much faster compared to the kid that just go out, throw the basketball and throw to the hoop, but they're not trying to focus. So you can throw 10,000 shots, you're not gonna become Michael Jordan. You can throw a million shots, you're not gonna become Michael Jordan. But if you go there, it will be really meaningful on your practice. Try to make shot with every correct technique that you can make. Then you might become somebody. Maybe a high school basketball player, right? Maybe. Now, Now go to college require those people. Like if you see those people go to college, even they will sit there do 400 jump shot, 1,000 jump shot. You see the little kid right now at 5-year-old doing jump shots. It's on Instagram. Yeah, they really focus on their craft. If you want to do well in my class, you have to focus on your craft. That means when you're doing the homework, you should not have your Instagram open up. You should not have your Snapchat because as soon as a notification pop out, you already lost what you're doing. Have you ever had a notification come out? It's like, wait, what am I doing again? That happened all the time. And not just only you, it's me too. So you have to be very mindful about what you're doing. Please, when you do something, focus on what you're doing. And when you practice your homework, please check it on the desk. Any other questions? If you focus, you actually waste less time. Yes.
We're gonna have homework tonight.
No, this is it. I'm gonna take 10 points off.
It's still 90. That's tomorrow.
Huh? The test is tomorrow, yes.
What happens tomorrow if we go over time?
I mean, I prefer you don't go over time. Because you're gonna be here, stay till like 5 o'clock.
It is hard. How many questions? Wait, what takes 10 ones off?
Probably similar among the questions.
Till 5 o'clock and still get it.
Just do it.
Make sure Arthur show up tomorrow. That's the problem. It's gonna cost everybody 5 points.
Would you say about minus 10 points?
Huh?
Would you say about minus 10 points?
Minus 10 points? Homework. I lost homework. I didn't have homework.
Okay, should I be late tomorrow? Like 10 minutes? Just like. Should I show up early, go in your closet and stay there, and then where's my third? I've been here the entire
I
time.
might get everybody to jump in.
I'm gonna take all these motherfuckers on. The only person who put the challenge is maybe him.
Yeah. Nick, can you take Nick? Can you take on Arthur? Like wrestling?
I mean, last year we were like,
Right. Oh, no, we weren't. No, we
we were
weren't.
in the same weight class competing for the same like.
Really?
Yeah, 175.
Oh yeah, I was like the fatter version. He was like the healthy version.
He was a healthy version.
I always don't know I could have like McDonald's.
Like 160.
You're gonna be 160. Isn't that gonna be fun to enjoy? Like, eat right now. 190. Well, because even if you're a pound over like your weight class, and you're in the
Did you saw him throw me on the floor? He threw me on the floor.
How much is
Huh?
it? 186.
You can. He threw me on the floor the other day.
He volunteered for it though. You like willingly did it.
Are you real?
Huh?
Are you serious that I threw you on the floor?
One day.
His ass softly landed on the ground, by the way. Softly. And he was still a little girl.
Actually,
oh, I get to mad. He went home. Kale's nuts, bro. Where was he during district, bro? He's good. No. It smells really bad. You get used to it.
I did it for like 2 weeks, bro. You were right, bro. For like 2 weeks, bro.
It smells like house.
Your whole smells like that.
You know what's funny?
Zeros is quadratic. You can use quadratic or factoring, but if something not factorable, you have to use quadratic. Guys, another thing you need to pay attention to. If I ever ask you x-intercept, y-intercept, please do not tell me x equal to 2. It's 2 comma 0.
I'm a pro. You know,
Or y-intercept will be 0 comma 2. Right? Please do not just tell me x equal to 2. X equal to 2 is a straight line. It's not point.
You'd rather get fired than play any It's on you.
Last year for our senior night, we got a kid break his arm. Oh, man.
Somebody
That didn't happen. It's called ringworm. It's called ringworm. Google ringworm.
Yeah, he got infected.
But like football kids, like
It's not even they need like yeah, he's always late.
football boys.
It's always him. It's all like it's all
Dude, I need to talk to you. So my brother, he got like 3 concussions, and now he's like really bad at math. So we were, he was wondering about tutoring. He was wondering if, like, we could pay you to do private tutoring.
you can, but why don't you tutor your brother?
Because he doesn't like math.
I think basic
Because with me, if right. You have, yeah. Yeah, he would be, yeah. So, I think there's no way you're
Why we
now he's like, so yeah, he wants to for math. He doesn't like the idea of and then like because it's like he's
no.
yeah, I think they like just actually. I think the babies they actually got now. He's been struggling and he wants to.
And does not even burn? No. The competition's in 3 days. I'm not shit written, so I'm not gonna go do that. Watch them do it. Right. Sorry, stay out to the Olympics.
No, I thought.
I have a gift for you. The list is fully freaking my deck out. Wait, no man, I will after this last night. You know? That's bull.
I don't know. Student would be a lot cheaper. Or you come in, have a couple questions, and ask me, I'm doing it free. Really up to you. So you have my phone number, you have to call me, and I'll try to see like the really hard.
I have it at 5 o'clock. It's like scheduled at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay.
I still want to
You guys are well, but if you guys are not willing, then we'll be sure. So
In the school?
you got my phone
No.
number.
I think
It's not what's up. You can just look it up.
So when we do like this, do we also put it that in coordinate form, like two different coordinates?
There's no coordinate in that case.
Because it's imaginary.
Yeah, it's an eye.
But like the other, like for this.
You can, no, in this one that we starts off with 0, you can easily say solution. So solution is what max is equal to, so you don't have to put any coordinate. Only in class that I was like, because that's a coordinate of software. If it's a solution of something, that's just an X value that makes sure that it conditions.
No.
Wait, what did you mean by extra questions?
Well, actually, maybe. I'm not.
Then you're gonna ask extra questions.
Actually, yeah.
Yes, but that one you're gonna be.
Like, is it like really hard? So it's gonna like take down my. What is it like? Can you give like a general like? Oh, it's extra credit.
Anything that I put outside of things is always extra credit.
I fell asleep at my desk yesterday trying to figure this out.
Wait.
Wondering if I could get a few minutes.
Are you not doing well?
Yeah, so I'll think about problem time. Because I'm not great. So tomorrow, 10 minutes, probably is fair.
Thank you. Have a good day.
I'm sure you did. But then it's pushed on to me.
Yeah.
Like 6 a.m.
Yeah, what did you say? was gonna wait, it only took like 10 extra minutes. Like, can I?
Do you do the beer?
No idea.
Yeah, like what?
You will see it or not. Yeah, she got 100 on that test.
I don't know.
Oh shit, we did. You got.
We need to probably okay. Why are you making mess?
There's no mess. It's impossible to find.
Okay, dude, look at it was in order until you screw it up.
Alright, Tom.
What's up? I don't grade it. I'm not giving everybody like 10 minutes to finish it. So unless you don't want to finish, I can grade it.
Because this is kind of one of my regrets. I did a lot of basketball. Do we have homework tonight?
Oh yeah, shut up, man. You're good at this.
I heard they made varsity practice at 3 o'clock today because of JV soccer for a while. Just look at what you need and then do the basic. Don't do it just like saying, oh, I need the intro course.
Yeah,
I don't think I need the intro course. Just look at their like paths, what they take. And if you or if they come in, a new class.
I didn't eat bread.
But you're ready to make no count because I'm not signed up.
You know, you really.
Really?
You behave exactly.
Legally.
You know how smart she is? Like she becomes more. I don't know. I thought for a while when I was doing that, like, I'm just about to stop and everything. But I've been like in psychology more. But more like,
I wanted to when I was a kid.
more like forensic anthropology, so you don't like work with FBI or that needs to identify.
Like you with the blind.
Usually it's scary cop.
I'll work on it. No, the problem is that some people.
And then right after that,
Really?
No, you're not gonna be here.
I am.
No, I'm not giving everybody attention. He's what? You can if you find your test. I don't know where that. I think people screw up the order. Alex, where you going?
All these years, right?
Yes.
For the moment, you don't want us to actually solve the integral, just say what it is.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
You want me to solve it or not?
Yes. What? Why are you going there?
Because I just wanted to check it out.
No, you need to finish your test.
I probably want to be able to finish it. My dad.
You don't need to bother with your third test. Not yet.
Yo, did you do this on the video?
Nobody can figure it out.
Let's do it. Yeah, I think my full test is lost.
That's why I don't like you guys taking afternoon. Because I don't even know. You can hand it to me because I didn't see it.
You do that, you die.
I'm gonna take that up.
Take a derivative of position. A lot of paper to be safe.
And then I got woken up there. Everybody here.
Okay.
I've been so lucky.
I'm in a
Position.
position you take derivative, you get velocity. The derivative of the position equation. The actual velocity. And then instantaneous
We are
velocity.
created in the physics.
And then you plug in two.
I
Yeah.
mean, I hated it.
If it ever asks you for like for acceleration, you take another.
Yeah, I mean, well, I was sitting.
He calls it PBA. You know?
Just
Alright, just remember that.
derivative of
So I do it right here, and I plug in two.
I'll write it here.
all this
Who knew I'd be helping Sydney instead of the other one? Anyways.
Yeah,
Off you go, off you go.
Position. Alright.
He's already studied logic like
So here's
He's
position.
already
So
knows
back
that.
position is f of x. Alright, so below here.
Alex, taking a test. You worry about your own damn test. Worry about your own damn test.
Gotcha.
It's okay, it was my fault. All good, Alex. Thank you for trying. Yeah, I'll switch up on everything.
If I was in middle finals, I that's the. Oh, these are good. Oh, yeah. I understood this question. I understood it won't be. I was doing it, bro. I was doing it right. This is good. I you're not flustered. You are. No, I was sorry. Yeah. What do you mean he went to college for? Why? What do you mean?
Well, the I, or well, no, the change in X is one N, right? Because it keeps going by one N.
I get it right about my language barrier.
Basic.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Alright. You're right. I know. Oh, I know.
So that's the.
But then this kid, he would have been full of my and that's why I wrote about it. So I wrote about that and people leave it elementary school.
Yeah, I can look at the first page and I'm like, just laugh. We call it stop. Take all these like better songs in score on him, bro.
How would you find what N is?
He's busy.
Going the same, but he's doing a meeting.
Like, I get that the change in X is one N because it goes back from one N to one N. So the change in X is one per N.
I never had to read one.
Okay.
You got smart.
Yeah, so we're doing the point now.
Yeah, it made the point. It's so easy. Like, I love it. Like, I'm good at you. I told you bar.
Yeah, my notes.
I didn't go to army for a long time.
They pull a wrap.
So it's gonna be one.
No, the three people back the rap. The apple.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, the whole thing is easy.
They're slightly
And then now you can do plus A. What? Yeah, A. You can have this. Now I don't know.
I don't know what I'm
You want to
doing.
write down? I'd give you like an exercise. Write that on my laptop.
So that's like the length.
No, you get paralyzed. Oh, yeah.
You can start by solving all those problems.
You're like,
Oh, all of
everything
it.
roll up. Yeah, you're not gonna roll up. Look, if you manage to roll off of this, you're managing. Like you're really close.
This is A plus Y.
At least he's saying it can be other people. I've never seen it. At least he's possible.